Welcome to Activity 51, A Little Harder. In this activity, we will be developing the addition strategy of bridging 10 from a part of 18 for holes up to 30. To complete this activity, you need 2 of each bond block from 1 to 9 and 1 linear 10. If you have original boards, please place them inside a right and white sleeve. Part add part equals whole. The blocks representing the parts are placed below the number line, and the blocks representing the whole are placed above. This number line starts at 10, which means the part of 18 is represented here. I'm going to spin to place the second part, and I spin a part of 3. I need to place 3 in 2 blocks. First a 2 that joins with the 8 to bridge 10 to 20, and then 1 more block. If I need to, I can check that this is worth the part I spun of 3. Then I need to make my whole equal to my parts. Then I say 18 add 3 equals 21, and I record this. Player 2 spins, and they need to add the part of 5. First they place 2 to bridge 10 to 20, and then they need to place 1 more block to complete adding on 5. I'll check. Correct. I then need to place 1 more block so that my whole is the same length as my parts. And I say 18 add 5 equals 23. 18 add 5 equals 23. Player 2 has made the larger whole, or the larger sum, so they are the winner for this round. Now it's your turn.